Do you think your game can make you millions of dollars?
You can't beat me, I'm iridescent. Try and keep up, boys.
Give me a counter UAV in the air.
You think you're the best? You've dominated the lobby. You've climbed the ranks. But have you got what it takes to go pro?
This is a new reality competition series like no other, and we want you.
Bros, I'm the best. I'm gonna win. Why did you even bother turning up?
This is your shot. This is Endgame. We're looking for the world's best to compete for professional contracts. It's time to get involved. Show us what you've got.
Join us and show your talent!
Don't just dream of going pro.
Have you seen my trophies?
You can't win it if you're not in it.